Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to install a stubby antenna in place of the factory retractable antenna. The retractable antenna on this car was damaged when the owner accidentally left it up at the car wash, but he never liked it anyway and was excited to replace it with a stubby version. The only tool I needed for this job was a 14mm wrench, so let's get to it. I'll start by removing the upper part of the base. If it's not already up, raise the antenna by turning on the radio. Pull up on the outer part of the antenna, exposing the inner plastic part. Then firmly pull it from the mechanism. Press the adapter for the stubby antenna into the base, then reinstall the upper part of the base to secure it. It doesn't have to be too tight. Now attach the new antenna and turn off the car. The last step is to disconnect the motor for the retractable antenna so it doesn't make noise every time you turn the radio on or off. Fortunately, it only takes a minute since the wires are easily accessible from the passenger side of the trunk. Just pull away the carpet and disconnect these wires by lifting up on the clip and pulling the connection apart. Put the carpet back together, however it goes. Close the trunk, and we're done. By the way, the owner of the car says the radio reception is just as good with the new stubby antenna compared to the factory retractable one, and some stations seem to come in even clearer than before. I've done a bunch of videos with this Corvette, and there's more on the way, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.